HubSpot's free CRM is an all-in-one platform that allows you to manage contacts, tasks, deals, meetings, and engage in marketing activities, all completely for free. Not only can you engage in all these essential CRM activities from your computer, but you can also access many of these features from the free HubSpot mobile app, meaning that you can continue building your relationships and more directly from your smartphone. Hey guys, Stewart here, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Now in this HubSpot tutorial for beginners, I'm going to simply walk you through how to use HubSpot CRM using the free mobile app. Okay, so just quickly before we dive into HubSpot, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that out the way, let's go ahead and learn how to use and navigate the free HubSpot CRM app. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is download the free HubSpot mobile app onto our iOS device or Android. Then once you've done that, simply locate the HubSpot app. And if you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. Now, if you're completely new to HubSpot's free CRM, then we recommend watching our complete tutorial that will help you get set up and started with HubSpot's CRM. This tutorial will walk you through the web version of HubSpot. And then once you're familiar with the web version, then you can move on to the HubSpot app. Okay, so once you've logged into your account from the HubSpot mobile app, you'll be taken to the Today section, and this just identifies upcoming tasks and meetings that you need to be aware of. Then if we navigate down to the bottom of our phone and click on Contacts, this is where you can manage all your contacts within your CRM. We can also click on Companies and manage all our companies within our CRM. Now if we navigate back over to Contacts, we can simply go ahead and click on a contact. We can engage in further activities for this specific contact. For example, we can add notes, we can also create a task, and we can log an activity. We typically add notes and create tasks often from contacts, because let's say, for example, we called through to this contact and we had an important discussion about a particular deal, then what we could do is add those notes in here, just so we can remember that for the next conversation we have. Then we can also add a task. Now that task could be a follow-up conversation or a follow-up phone call about a particular deal that's associated with this contact. And then if we scroll down, you can see basic activity that this contact has taken. You can see a page view, so they viewed the strategy session, which is our meeting form. And then we can come down to marketing email. You can see that you booked a meeting with Stewart Gauld. And you can also see historic information like when this contact was created. As you can see, the lead capture form was submitted and this individual became a contact because they submitted their information into our lead capture form. Then if we navigate across to associations, this is where you can see if the contact is associated with a company, a deal, or a ticket. And you can also go ahead and add the company that this contact is associated with if you haven't done so yet. You can also add a deal if they're currently passing through your sales pipeline or they've just been added to your sales pipeline. And you can also add tickets. So for example, if this contact had an issue with our products or services, I can go ahead and add that issue down in tickets. Then we can also navigate over to About. And this is where you can go ahead and edit the contact's information. So what we're going to do is navigate back to our contacts. And then if we wanted to add a new contact, all we would do is simply navigate up to this plus icon. And to create a new contact, all we would do is simply fill in the information for this contact, or we can click import from phone, or we can actually scan a business card. So for example, if we click scan business card, all you need to do is hover the camera above a card and then wait till you see found card and then click the red button. And that's going to capture the business card. All you need to do is click done, give the app a moment to load, and as you can see, that's going to capture the details from that card. It's captured the full name, job title, and the mobile phone number from that business card. And then go ahead and select the details that are correct, and then simply click next. And again, if there's details that are missing, you can add those later on. So I'm going to go ahead and click next, and then next again. And what I could do here is add the email and the website for this contact, but I'm going to go ahead and click save. And as you can see, we've added that new contact. Now we can also navigate over to companies. And like I mentioned earlier, you can manage your companies here. It's the same process as managing your contacts. So what we're going to do now is navigate down to deals next to contacts. And with HubSpot's free CRM, you only have access to one sales pipeline. So this is our sales pipeline. You can see that we have one deal here that is a qualified lead. If we scroll through our sales pipeline, you can see another deal that is in the define prospects needs stage. And what you can do is simply click on each of your deals within your sales pipeline, and that will bring up all the activities for this deal as well as specific actions that you can take. Again, you will notice the similar interface and features when managing contacts and companies. So again, under activity, you can see all the activity for this specific deal, how they've been moving through our sales pipeline. Then we also can add notes, create tasks, and add log activity. We can also select associations, and this is going to bring up other associations with this deal. Then we also have about. And this is where we can edit the details about this specific deal. Now, if we navigate up to the top, you can see that the current stage that this deal is in is the define prospects needs. Now, if we click the drop down, let's say that we've completed the stage define prospects needs. We now want to move this deal to offer sent. So if I click here, that's going to change the stage to offer sent. So what I'm going to do is click back, and that's going to take us back to our deals interface. We can also navigate up to the plus icon to add a new deal. Simply fill out the deal information and then click save. We're going to cancel out of this, and then navigate down to the bottom and click on activity. And this is basically where you'll find all the activity happening within your CRM. For example, we can navigate over to email opens and view the email opens. We can also click email clicks, and this is going to show email clicks, sent emails, lead visits, prospect visits, document views, meetings, and then forms. So what I'll do is navigate all the way back over to all activities. And then from the activity feed, you can also send emails. So for example, if we navigate up to the top right hand corner, this is where you can send tracked emails. You can also choose email templates, and you can also insert the meeting link. Now, the meeting link or the booking form is basically a scheduling form that you create within the web version of HubSpot. You can create one with the free plan, and this scheduling form you can simply send as a link to your contacts, and then your contacts can simply click the link and then book a meeting with you through your booking form. This reduces the back and forth messy emails. Now what I'll do is link a tutorial down below that will take you through the process of creating your free meeting scheduler form. So go ahead and check that out if you like. So this is where you can simply go ahead and send tracked emails. So what I'm going to do is cancel out of that. And as you can see, I sent a test email yesterday, and you can see that that email has been opened twice. Then what we're going to do is navigate over to more in the bottom right hand corner. Under account, this is where you can manage your account. Then below tools, this is where you can access the business card scanner. You can also record calls. You can also look at your conversations, and then you have access to the academy, and then you can view your tasks or create tasks. Then down below we have preferences and help and support. And that is everything you need to know to get started and learn how to navigate through the free HubSpot CRM app. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this HubSpot CRM app tutorial. Now, if you have any questions about HubSpot, make sure to pop those down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And that way, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.